Hello. Today we are harvesting garlic scapes. So beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to harvest a garlic scape, and then below this video I have a garlic scape recipe for you, so definitely go check that out. So these are our 2 garlic beds this year, and right now they are putting out scapes, and scapes are produced by hardneck garlic varieties, and here is a beautiful example of one. So you can see it comes up from the stalk and sends up this scape and makes a beautiful little curly cue. And all you do to harvest it is snap it off, and here is your scape, and that's it. And that's all it takes to harvest a garlic scape. So definitely, if you are growing garlic scapes, be sure to harvest them and make some delicious pesto. Use garlic scapes the way that you would use garlic in any other recipe, and enjoy the harvest. And I will see you later.